Hey there, I'm Hunter Follett, Chief Executive Officer at TEJAS Production Services. At TEJAS Production Services, we love hiring local young adults that want to work with their hands. Through our Welding Summer Internship Training Program, students work side by side with some of the top welders, assemblers, and painters in the country, learning skills for a career with unlimited potential. In addition to exposure to component prep with CNC machines, pressure vessel fabrication and welding, assembly, and coating, students will complete a summer welding project and have the potential to be hired on a full-time basis after they graduate. Once they join our team at TEJAS, their growth within the company is up to them. With former shop hands in the leadership positions throughout the company, many of them earning six figures.
Hi, my name is Jason Carmona. I'm a Victoria ISD graduate, class of 2023. I have finished my practicum in manufacturing course here at TEJAS Production, and now I'm full-time employed. During my practicum hours here at TEJAS, I learned to fabricate and fit pipe and fitting flanges to pipe. Working as a practicum student has given me the skills now that I'm a full-time employee to fit and fabricate, while also giving me the skills and resources to talk to other employees to help make me a better employee.
My name is Steven Nienhouse. I'm a welder at TEJAS Production, and I have the privilege of teaching the students at the VISD. Here at TEJAS, we're giving the students an opportunity to further their career in this craft, teaching them everything, the right way to do it, the safe way to do it, and bringing in local talent. People hear about the company, they want to come try it out. They hear from the students, they pass the word around.
Hi, my name is Darjo Rosco, and I just graduated from Victoria East High School. This year I completed my practicum in manufacturing at TEJAS Production, and now I'm a full-time employee here at TEJAS. So some of the things here I learned at TEJAS are MIG welding, flux cord welding, and how to build carts. But the thing I really liked about TEJAS is that they taught me how to fabricate, which I didn't really know how to do beforehand. Being a practicum student here at TEJAS made me realize all the skills and qualifications I have and still need to work on. So I'll be going to Victoria College because one day I want to own my own business.
Not only did the practicum in manufacturing help me become a full-time employee here at TEJAS, but it also made me realize I needed to get more education. So I'm also attending the welding program at Victoria College.
Here at TEJAS, students are able to participate in a practicum and internship opportunities. Practicum and internships are designed to give students an opportunity for supervised practical application of previously studied knowledge and skills. They are a powerful way for the students to hone their skills and jumpstart their careers while still in high school, and to benefit for our industry partners like us in recruiting and training the next generation of skilled employees.
I want to thank Steven and Vince and all the employees here at TEJAS for giving me the skills to become an employee here at TEJAS and in the Victoria community.
We're teaching the students how to fit, how to weld, how to cut and grind, do everything the right way, become better craftsmen, and to learn the trade.